Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft Office versions in 2025 legally. Let's start. Step 1. Create a folder on your desktop. Right click, New, Folder, name it Office. Good. Then come back to Google Chrome, search for Office Deployment Tool. Enter. Download Office Deployment Tool. Change language to English and download. Save. Open folder. Here my Office Deployment Tool. Just select it and right click. Run as administrator. Yes. Click this one. Continue. From desktop, select your folder Office. Okay. File is extracted successfully. Okay, let's check. Open it. Just delete this one. Good. Again, come back to Google Chrome. Open another window. Search for Office Customization. Office Customization Tool. Enter. Office Customization Tool. Click it. My PC 64, so I select 64-bit. Scroll down. Select your product. Which product you want? Microsoft 365, Office Professional Plus 2024, 2021, 2029. For example, I selected Professional Plus 2024. You can select Visio. You can select Project, Office LTSC 2024, latest. From here, you can select it a specific app. For example, I want Excel. I don't need OneDrive. I don't need Outlook. I don't need Publisher. I don't need Access. I need OneNote, PowerPoint, and Word. Next. Select language. Language, English, United Kingdom, or United States. Next. Just next. Uncheck this one. Next. Select KMS. Next. Next. Scroll down. Finish. Export. Office Open XML formats. Okay. I accept. Make sure the name is configuration. Export. From desktop, find your folder, this one. Open it. Save. Good. Open it. If I click this one, you see the path is too long. If path too long, it may cause error. So I select the folder, right click, copy. From here, go to Windows C, Control V. Good. Now open command prompt, CMD, run as administrator. It's too important to run it as administrator. Now, yes, good. Open this folder, Office. Come to here, click this one. You see the path is too short. It's so important, and it doesn't cause any error. Just Control copy. Come back to CMD. Just write CD space Control V. Enter. This time, come back to Google Chrome. Open another window. Search for Deploy Office 2024. Enter. Click this one. Scroll down. Please don't use this text, not this one. Use this one. Setup configure configuration.xml. Copy. Come back to command prompt. Just Control V. Enter. We are getting things ready. We just have to wait, nothing more. The time depends on performance of your PC and the speed of your internet. Okay, you are all set. Just close. You can close this command prompt. Just search for Microsoft Word. If you can't find here, just from apps, again search Word. Okay, click it.